Hey, Dave Knight here at Dave Knight Trading. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being here. Today was Wednesday, May 29th, 2024. I was able to go up over the 26,000 mark today. It's taken a while. Today was day number 13. Once again, I'm trying to get between $100 to $200 in profit in any given day or better. And then trying not to lose more than $300 to $500 right now, closer to the 300 mark. I have been fortunate so far in my 13 days that I have not um, had a losing day, although I've had a couple days that I came back from loss to get back to close to break even to make it a scratch trade. So scratch trading day, and I had 2 or 3 of those overall. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3 out of the 13 came back from a loss to get back to close to even, and I have called it a day on those days. So I noticed that one of the things that I've noticed as far as gamblers go is there's a lot of time that you can make up a lot of your loss in, for instance, at blackjack or whatever. But the trick is that if you try to press to get more than that, it seems to go south. So, and then you even lose more than you originally thought you were going to lose to start with. So you go greater than you lost before. So that comeback, if I can get close to break even on a day that I'm losing, I'm good. I'm granted I'm only up. I'm trading 6 MNQs. Let's pull this off so you see that now. I'm trading 6 MNQs at a time. Um, Today, let's see here. Let's bring this up. This was how I set up my day today. And then, and then my spreadsheet basically tells me, looking back 9 trading days, what the volatility is. Notice that I have that 2R stop loss. Get my trading. So I use this, and I'm using this, I'm using this, and this is profit targets. So right here is my profit targets on the 6 contracts. And notice that I'm taking out 4 if it would go there at minus 43, and then 10 behind that on the other 2. I've been fortunate to be able to get the break even. I get the break even fairly quickly on a move, and I have a lot of scratch trades in a day. And then normally what happens is I end up getting 1 or 2 winning trades. Today I had 4 scratch trades, 1 loser, excuse me, no. 2 losers, 2 winners, and 4 scratch trades today. I just didn't update my charts. My winners came back to back pretty much. I was up, then down, then up, then down, and then up is how it finished the day. I think I had 2, 2, and 2. I had 6 trades altogether today. I'll pull over the 369 chart because my trades are fairly close to each other right now. All right, so I waited to I wait to roughly the 11:15, 11:30 mark today. I think I was trading before that. I started in this area right here. I missed this move. I was short. I missed it, but then I saw the S1 up here. Did we get up to S1 before? Yeah. So this orange red line and the S1, it didn't hold. it didn't go to the orange line, but S1 didn't hold. So I was able to take advantage of this move right here, and then I was out roughly in that area. Going to this orange-red line on the charts. And then my good move today that I caught that got me to over the 26,000 mark was this move right here, going back to the S1 line. Now, regardless of what happens right now, those were my trades. So I was able to catch this move coming down and that move coming up, and playing in between this volume line and this volume line where I have seen some support and resistance into this trading session. So we just played inside, and I have my trailers on that if it wanted to run, this is where I got out, by the way, on my trade, on the runners. So I was able to get 4 off at profit target, I believe, on this one here, and the other 2 came off on this little move coming back down before it went down here. So notice that the more times we hit a volume line, the weaker it becomes, right? It's a support line. And likewise, the more times you hit a resistance line, the weaker it becomes as a resistance line, and resistance then becomes support as it breaks through. So right now, this is support and this is resistance, but if it would break through this and then hold below it, then it becomes resistance. So if we go back and look at the 369 chart, we would see going back here that this was support at one point in the session. The easier way to see that is if I pull over, let me get this off the charts. Easier way to see that as we're breaking through there, right? Is looking at higher time frames, right? So this is the 10-minute chart, but if we would go down and look at 4 minutes, see us breaking through here. And I was playing in between these 2 lines as well. Like I said, the more things that you can find that work in your favor, so VWAP S1. So you can see that that was coinciding with the volume figures as well. And then 1-minute charts. Does it go down to 1 minute right now? No, it has not went down to 1 minute yet. It's still showing 4 minutes on the charts. 1 minute's having some issues today. And then that's getting rid of the stochastics as well. So I noticed that 1 minute, for some reason, is having some issues today at I don't know what's going on, but I've noticed that today, that the Ninja Trader, at least on my platform, the 1 minute's getting rid of all the stuff. So I've had to open and close. There's my doggies. Open and close the workspace to get it to come back. Hopefully that'll correct itself tomorrow. But I've noticed that Ninja Trader is not liking the 1 minute right now, or the 2 minute chart. So if I hold it to 10 minutes in the 4-minute area, it seems to hold it. And you can see here's the 369 chart where I mark the volume. This kind of smooths out the 1, 2, 3 tick chart that I use to trade off of, so that I don't make silly trading decisions. So we're trading below S1 right now, but we've been above the S1. If we look at the 4-minute chart today, we've been starting at roughly the 9:30 mark. Well, 9 o'clock mark, we've been up, down, up again, down again, and then settling right here at the lunchtime hour. I try not to trade past, I try to stay away from the market between my time, Eastern time, 12 to 1:30 normally. And I don't want to go down to the 1 minute because it's been acting up. And there's the 10-minute chart. I usually hang between looking at time frame related. I start at the day chart, right? And then I go to 60 minutes, look, see what the 60 minutes are doing. And then I go down from 60 to 10. And then I usually go 10 down to 4. And then I usually go 4 down to 1. But I'm not going to go down to the 1 minute chart because it's been screwing up today. Not holding the lines coming through. 1 minute's not really allowing it to come on the charts. It kind of doesn't like it today on Ninja. I don't know if anyone else has run into that issue today. At least on my charting platform today, it's been acting up. Anyway, as I said, today I'm up over to 26. My goal on PA right now is to get to 27,100 and then get a withdrawal. So I'm hoping sometime, I was hoping May I would be able to get there, but it's taken a lot longer. Profit target related. I'm just, like I said, I'm happy between getting $100 to $200 winning a day. If I would catch a trade and it would go all the way, you know, having 2 winners in a row at full profit, I could get between 3 to 450. 300 to 450 in any given trading day, but I've not really had a good, oh, look at that sucker go down. So it's been kind of grinded out kind of days and just take the profit as it was. Like if I look at yesterday to today, I finished yesterday at 25,919 and today I closed out at 26,037. So that's up, what, 120 bucks roughly profit after commission costs. And the more times we hit an area, this is a nice little move, by the way, coming off the lows again. Here's the one that I caught right here and then up. This would have been a tough one to take. And then this coming up off of here, coming in roughly in this area, may or may not have been a good trade depending upon how you would have handled this area right in here as we hit this area. And back to the S1 mark roughly, moving to the volume figure up above. Could actually move this down into here if we wanted to, but I really don't see any reason to do that yet, because this is where I was looking at it earlier at the 11 o'clock mark. I noticed that this seemed to be holding, and in fact, I guess we could move it roughly in this area. Well, that was actually a good area to have it at. Maybe a little bit lower, right in here. And notice that MNQ likes to bounce, so the NQ likes to bounce between support and resistance. And eventually it breaks through these areas and then makes a new level. So, but if we would pull this in, you can see that there's a magenta line below and a magenta line above. These are more significant. This is where you have a lot more interest in volume being traded on these magenta lines. So I would assume sometime today, roughly, we're going to either take off to this area and test it, or come up here and test this area. So this would be closer to the pivot today, and this will be closer to the S2 lines coming down this way. All right. Well, my youngest son is graduating high school today. I wanted to get my win and be done, so I am satisfied where I am, at least for today. We'll look at tomorrow and Friday. Once again, this is Dave Knight giving you my weekly update. I hope you had a great trading day as well. We'll see you on the next video I'll put together. Today, once again, was Wednesday, May 29th, 2024. We're just slowly grinding our way to a PA payout. That's the overall goal, just to get myself a payout here on my PA. Add my second EA. Well, my other EA right now is sitting. I forget how many days I've traded it. I'm a little bit more aggressive in the EA. It says I'm up $727. Did not trade it today, as you can see. So I'm just need to get this one to above 26,500. And I'm just assuming I need 7 trading days. I don't worry about the 1 day pass stuff. Just take it easy and get to where I'm going to get to. All right, we're out of here. I'll see you on the next video I put together, either maybe this Friday or next week sometime. Once again, Dave Knight here at Dave Knight Trading. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being here. Once again, find those volume levels that recognize the support and resistance. Trade between them. When it does break out, try to catch it. Be that remora that follows the shark instead of the shark gets the fish that gets eaten by the shark. Bye for now.